Hey everybody! Today we're going to learn on how to disable the drag and drop cell feature to stop accidental moves in Microsoft Excel. This instantly freezes your cursor from accidentally grabbing cell borders and ripping your data out of place, keeping your formula grids and structural layout formats perfectly locked where they belong. First, open Microsoft Excel. Look at the top left corner of the interface menu row and click on File. Look at the absolute bottom of the left-hand navigation sidebar panel and click directly on Options. A detailed configuration window will pop up on your screen. Click on the Advanced tab located near the middle of the sidebar list. Move your eyes to the very top section layout, which is explicitly headered Editing Options. Locate the specific setting checkbox explicitly labeled Enable Fill Handle and Cell Drag and Drop. Click the tracking box to uncheck it and completely freeze the real-time cell border movement engine. Disabling this tracking option will also turn off the tiny black crosshairs used for dragging down formulas, so you can easily turn it back on later whenever you have massive row autofill tasks to run. Drop down to the bottom of the main options window and click the OK button to lock your new layout protection choices into the system core. And that's it! Your locked cell data entry layout configuration is now completely optimized and active. I hope it helps you in your current and future project. Thank you for watching.